I have in my notes here a point to ask you about Evergrande. I'm wondering if you have thoughts on that. For those again who don't know the story, Evergrande, the largest property developer in China, filed for bankruptcy, defaulted on its debt. I don't know. I'm not smart enough to like understand how that could affect us here. Maybe you know the market better than I, so maybe you can explain, like in theory at least, how could a default from a property developer in China affect our real estate market here in the U.S.?
Yeah, so really, it goes to I don't want to do this again, but I'm going to do it again because the global
Okay.
financial crisis had another example. What did we have
Yeah.
there? We had lots of debt go in default,
Yep.
and it causes spiral. What you do is you lose confidence. So Evergrande has over $300 billion of debt, 19 billion of it is only sort of foreign investors. There's now a host of other Chinese property developers, those smaller but equally at risk of defaulting, if not some of them are already delayed on coupons. There's a bunch of US or non Chinese dollars in those bonds. And if they default, then there's a loss, but then that also causes a fear to set in. And contagion is not a good thing if it's fear. It's great if it's appreciation, but it's not great when it's fear. So there's a real risk that destabilizes the bond market if they don't address it. Now they've been really quiet. You don't see much in the news because China. What is China going to do? Is China going to step in and make them whole, right? Or are they going to let them fail? That's the question. We don't have that answer yet. But it'll lose a confidence. That'll impact the trade relations on the margin too, because you need credit to build businesses, right? If you can't get credit, you can't grow. So that's
Yeah.
that's the
Yeah.
danger there.